Hello, folks, and welcome back to the Freetarian Show. I am, of course, your dedicated, freedom-loving anarchist host, Sean Morley. Thank you so much for joining me. Want to talk a little bit today about the facts that prove cannabis laws or tax laws actually apply to American citizens. Do they? That's the big question. I've been asking the question over and over and over again. Mark Stevens has been asking that question for more than a decade now on a weekly basis, and yet I haven't seen any facts that prove cannabis laws apply to anybody, or that tax laws apply to anyone, or that any other man-made law actually applies to folks. I haven't seen any evidence. I've asked IRS agents for the facts that prove the tax laws they're enforcing actually apply to people. I've asked Revenue Canada agents for the facts that prove the laws they're enforcing actually apply to Canadians. I've asked cops for proving the cannabis laws actually apply to folks. It was a no-go there as well. Tax lawyers, I've asked them for the facts proving that tax laws actually apply to folks. There was a no-go there as well. I haven't been able to get a very simple request fulfilled by anybody in government. Please present me the facts that prove that these laws that you have been enforcing and applying to folks for decades upon decades upon decades actually apply to these folks. That's all I'm asking for. I'm asking for the facts that prove the laws apply. If you can't prove the laws apply and yet you're enforcing them, you're committing a crime against people that the laws don't actually apply to. And that's wrong. That's criminal. It's immoral. It's unethical. It's unjust. And if you're doing it for a paycheck, you're a criminal that is protected by criminals so you can continue to commit criminal activities under the color of so-called law. Yet you have no facts proving those laws apply to anybody. When you arrest someone for cannabis and you cannot prove that the anti-cannabis laws actually apply to the person you've arrested, well, then you haven't arrested them, you've kidnapped them. And now you're holding them hostage. Those are criminal activities. Prove your activities are not criminal by presenting the facts that the laws apply to the people you say they apply to. Because if you can't, you're a fucking criminal.